Hi everyone, welcome back again. Let's have a look into the positions that we have. As we know, the market is playing in some range from last few days, and we have three positions altogether, and we have only monthly positions. And if you see, the profit is struggling at 2.5%. There are two reasons. One is monthly positions will have a decay at some points. We will have to wait with the patience. And second reason is low premiums running at current weeks. We have very low IVs and the premiums are low, so there is not much decay. And even if the market plays in this range, we'll have the good profit in this range. If even if the market moves up, we don't have much to lose. We still have the profit. The only thing we have to compromise some 15,000 or 16,000. But what is the reward that we get? 15,000 is to lose, and on reversal, the maximum side that we get 82,000 we get, that is 82,000 divided by 15 or 16,000, right? 1 is to 5. So 1 is to 5 is the risk reward. It's a very good risk reward. Okay, so let's see how it goes. We have to play this kind of games sometimes, and we can also do further adjustments to increase this profit. We'll see how it is. Okay, the other position is ratio spread. Here I have made couple of adjustments to increase the profit in the mid. If you see, it was 10,000 or 11,000 plus earlier with. So what I did, I just moved little closer in this downside leg to increase this profit and the profit to the upside. So we are currently in the middle of the positions, and we are running close to 2% so far. I think this is second week. Let's see how it goes. I think to the right side and left side we have a good profit. So it's high possibilities that by expiry we get into one of these legs. And we also know how to make this lossless. We will see if we get the opportunity. If you want to make it a risk defined strategy, we can also do that from this point, so that we will not worry about these unlimited loss sets. Let's see how to make that. Okay, so here if you see, we can either make it lossless by reducing the profit in the middle areas and these areas, and the maximum profit that we get is 8%. Or if we move little away from these edges, there will be some loss to the downsides and upside, but the profit in the middle will be like somewhere around 4.7, that is 1% in the middle. And to the higher sides, in the both the straddles, we have for 9%. Okay, so we can go with little more risk on, because we are middle of the payoff graph, so we can take extra risk. And in the middle we can increase it to somewhere around 1.8%, and to the both the sides, both the straddles, we can increase it to 10%. Okay, so we can go with this if you want to play safe, because we are in the middle of the payoff graph, and still we have a lot of 2% downside, 2% upside for the risk. And if you don't have edges, so let's see the edges. So here 2.4 and 2.2, but there is no unlimited, so this is going to be 1 is to 3, close to 1 is to 3 risk reward. Okay, so this is how you can play the game. So what I'll do, I'll continue with the current payoff graph without hedges, because we still have a lot of space to the up and to the down. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Coming to the calendars, there is one adjustment that I did. So if you see this, I closed 18,300. I'd come a little closer to the 18,400 as only the sell leg, and the buy leg is as it is at 18,300. Okay, because market is close to the upper side strata of upper side calendar, so it is a good idea to increase the premium, sell premium, rather than increasing the buy premium. And now again this has decayed to some extent, so we can do two things. One is we can move this entire calendar to little closer, so that we'll have more space here, and the payoff graph is going to be little balanced. Other option is we can exit this calendar completely, so that we'll have one calendar called calendar, and we'll be having the market in the middle of the payoff graph. So I prefer the second one. I'll exit this calendar for now. And if you see, we are in the middle of the payoff graph, and of course we are at close to 3%, 2%. And if you exit that, we have released 2 more lakhs capital, and with the 4 lakhs capital, we are going to continue with this. Okay, if the market moves to either of the direction, I'll create one more calendar again to have a double calendar. Otherwise, we can keep this single call calendar and continue with this, because we have a good payoff graph here also. Like the 15% is the profit that we get. If the weeks increases again, this profit can increase further. Okay, so that's the plan. Let's see. I'm also thinking to create some more strategies in the calendars to play it more safer. We have double calendar now. It is high rewards and little high risk. Probably I will create one strategy to have low risk and decent profit, like monthly 4%. So it will be having high probability but same risk reward. Will have a low weeks. And also of course I create some more strategies and expiry day strategies, so that you can also utilize that in expiry days. Okay, so that's the update for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, guys.